Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Telegram archive. First, open Telegram. So as you can see in here, my archive chats are not showing up on my chats. You'll not be able to find it on settings or on contacts. What you just need to do is to scroll down your Telegram. So as you can see in here, as I scrolled it down, my archive chats are now showing up. I can tap that and check my archive chats in here. You'll have an option to edit this and just remove them from your archive. And once you want to hide them, then you just need to scroll up. And as you can see in here, my archive chats are not showing up anymore. Again, just slide down. And there's your archive chats. Slide up and it will be hidden again. And that's how to find Telegram archive. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.